Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today we're going to be telling time. See over here, we have 3 images and they are going to help us to learn about telling time. On this image, looks like a clock, but you can see it has trees. These trees are 60 in total, and you can see every 5th tree is white in color. It represents the village elders. And see, this is a Moran, and you know that the work of the Moran is to protect the land. The Moran keeps on running around the village to protect the land from the enemies, and they do it in tons. They are really strong. So this Moran begins from here, and he counts as he runs. He counts the trees. Up to there it's 15, up to there 20, 25, 30, and he moves just like the minute hand moves around the clock. So by the time he reaches here, he has counted 60 trees, equivalent to the 60 minutes that the minute hand forms. Tick tock, as it goes round the ring. Okay, now, what if the Moran started from here and ran up to this point? How many minutes would those be? 5, 10, 15. And suppose the minute hand was facing this way. What shape would that be? It would actually be like that. And you can see that is quarter and orange. So we would say quarter past. It becomes quarter past. Very good. If the Moran started from this point and ran 15 minutes, ran up to here, it is 30. And it would be like that. Look at the shape. That is half. So we call that half past. And if the same Moran ran from that first tree and counted the trees up to this point, look at the shape. He started there and he ran up to this point. That will be 45 minutes. So we say he is only left with 15 minutes. So we say it's quarter to. We say quarter to. Good. Now we have another image here. And the same way we had 12 trees, 12 white trees to symbolize the village elders. Every 5th tree is white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The same way we have drawn the houses of the elders and we have numbered the trees and the houses. So this, you can see the numbers up to 12. It reflects the 12 hours of day and the 12 hours of night. Now, the village elders are really old, so the movement is slow, just like the hour hand that moves really slowly. Now, look at this hour hand, the short, stout hand. Look at the old village elder. Where do you suppose he is coming from? He's coming from a hut that is over here, and it is the hut number 6. Can you see that? So, because he's not yet reached 7, he's still here, he's not yet reached 7, we say it is still 6 hours. What if he wasn't here and he was about there? He's walked and walked and walked and rested and walked again, and the old man is here. Let's see, from which hut is he coming from? From the hut number 9, and he's still not yet at 10, so it would be 9 hours. And I hope you're getting the idea. While here, when we have the Moran, we are counting the steps, which are like the trees. Here, we're just looking at the homes and the numbers from where the hour hand has just come from. And we know that this is the direction of the clock. Now, we have combined the old elder and the Moran. Let's see if we can tell time. Let's begin with the elder. Where is he coming from? Oh, from the home of 10. And he's not yet at 11. So ours will be 10 hours. What about the Moran? The Moran started running from this point and ran and counted 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And that will be 45 minutes. What about this one? Let's see which home the hour hand has just come from. It's almost at pointing 5, but it has just passed 5 a little bit. So the elder was coming from the house number 5 and still not yet at 6. So we say 5 hours. And how many minutes? Let's see the Moran. He had started from this point. So he ran 5 minutes, 10, 15. And so it is 15 minutes. Or you can say, from the image of the orange, you can say it is 5:15. As simple as that. What about this image? Let's see which house the old man is just from. It is the house number 3. Can you see that? And so that will be 3 hours. And what about the minutes? The Moran had started from this point and went 15, 30. And that will be 30 minutes. And you can also say it is like saying 3:30. I hope you have learned something today. And so we'll see you during the next lesson. Keep on practicing.